Welcome back to my channel, Aviation 2K2 here. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I don't know where's my model. It's shoot right. Where's it? Jesus Christ, where's it? Where the heck is my model? Oh Jesus, it's right here. Welcome back, comrade. Oh my god, it's been 2 weeks. Why is still doing this? Nah fam, I'm gonna watch YouTube. I don't want to do an unboxing video anymore. Nah man. Color aviation. Yeah, this dude. Okay, they are quiet now. Listen. Oh my god. Why? I will continue if they stop doing that. Right now I will watch this video. Back to you later. Okay, I think they are finished now. So let's get back to the video. This is the Singapore Airlines Airbus A330-300 made by Gemini Jet. It's not Gemini Jet, I forgot. This is made by JC Wings. It is in the 1:400 model scale. Yeah. Yeah. Same as usual. Sorry, I just had lunch. Yeah, this is the Singapore Airlines in Star Alliance livery. Personally, myself I prefer Sky Team more because their livery is much more colorful. Yeah, it's just this Star Alliance, just a big, large letter put together. That's it. In my opinion, this compare the JC Wings Airbus A330 to Gemini Jet Airbus A330. I have to say it is much more detailed. Yeah, it has a much more detailed antennas, a small hub in what is called what? I'm so retarded right now. Yeah, just small hub right there. And the landing gear does tilt and roll. And yeah, this is the Star Alliance logo. Back of it, rudder. Yeah. Just as usual. If you watch my previous video about the Airbus Beluga, you will notice these type of engine are very detailed. It has a reverse door, the caution logo mark right there to warn people. Yeah. In my opinion, Singapore Airlines, I don't know, this aircraft doesn't have any special things. I just bought it for the Star Alliance. I don't know if the camera can focus, but it has a Star Alliance logo right next to the cockpit window. Yeah, this is it. Let's see if the camera can focus. Yet it can. Yes, this is the Star Alliance logo next to the cockpit window and Singapore Airlines down beneath. I bought it because a few months ago I saw this aircraft land at Tan Son Nhat International Airport. So because I'm aiming for the Tan Son Nhat International Airport, so I just buy this aircraft for the real estate. Today will be a short video. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share. I don't need share. You can remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Aviation 2K2. Goodbye.